Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by gathering essentials: your scenic, a working mobile number, and an email you check. Once done, open Chrome or Edge, clear cache, and enable cookies so forms behave. Next, go to the e-services Sindh registration area and click Register. You'll see fields for scenic and phone. Enter exact scenic digits and the mobile that receives OTP. Make sure to choose a secure password and note it somewhere safe before proceeding to verification. You'll receive an OTP on your phone. Enter it immediately, and if it expires, use the resend option. There's a short timeout. Once verified, fill personal details carefully and upload scanned documents in the required formats. PDF or JPG are commonly accepted. Make sure document names match the form entries. After filling everything, review every field for accuracy, accept the terms, and click Submit. Keep the application number displayed for tracking, and note any confirmation message you receive. Once submitted, you must track progress using the application number on the portal's tracking page. Make sure to check your inbox and the portal messages daily. Officials may request extra documents or clarifications, and delays happen if you ignore them. When approved, download the certificate or receipt and follow pickup instructions if a physical copy is required. If something goes wrong, refresh the page, clear cache, or retry on another browser. Contact support with your application.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.